Welcome to our channel PartsHnC. Today, we're sharing essential tips to help you maintain your International Comfort Products 1170063 control fan timer board. This component is critical in regulating your HVAC system's fan and heating cycles, ensuring optimal performance and energy efficiency. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your system running smoothly. Tip number 1. Always power off your HVAC unit before doing any maintenance. Safety first. You don't want to risk damaging the board or injuring yourself. Once it's powered off, take a moment to inspect the fan timer board for any signs of wear or corrosion. Regular visual inspections can help you catch issues early. Next, keep the area around the board clean. Dust and debris can accumulate inside the unit, leading to overheating or electrical faults. Use a soft brush or compressed air to gently remove dust from the control board and surrounding components. Check the wiring connections as well. Over time, wires can loosen or fray, which could impact the fan timer board's performance. If you notice any loose or damaged wires, it's best to have a professional inspect or replace them. Another important tip: test the board's functionality periodically. You can do this by observing your HVAC system during operation. If you notice any irregular fan cycles or delays in heating, it could be a sign that the timer board is malfunctioning. Lastly, schedule regular professional maintenance. While DIY checks are great, a licensed technician can provide a thorough inspection and make sure your control fan timer board is functioning as it should. International Comfort Products 1170063 control fan timer board, ensuring your HVAC system operates efficiently.